We'll guide you through how to create Wix password-protected pages. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to your Wix website editor on your computer. Once you're in the editor, look over to the left-hand side of the screen and click on the Menus and Pages icon. This will open a list of all the pages on your site. Find the page you want to protect, hover over it and click the three dots that appear next to the page name. From the drop-down menu, choose Settings. In the Settings menu, you'll see a tab labeled Permissions. Click on it. Here, you'll find the option to set the page as password protected. Select password holders from the options. Now you'll need to enter a password that visitors will use to access this page. Make sure it's something secure but easy for your visitors to remember. After entering the password, you can also customize the message that appears to visitors when they try to access the page without the password. Once you've set everything up, click Save to apply the changes. Now your page is protected, and only those with the password can view its content. You can repeat these steps for any other pages you want to protect. Remember, it's always a good idea to communicate with your visitors about the password, maybe through a newsletter or a welcome email. This way, they won't be confused when trying to access the page. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.